Doesn't look like I'm going to be able to drive it out of here because the shifter is not doing anything. Let's go get the tractor. Try to give it a pull. See how far I can get it. Oh, that turned real. Let's open it up and see what's going on. Oh, those leaves. Oh man, that's not good for it. Oh, beehives everywhere. Oh, beehive. It sat quite a while. Oh, that stuff we don't need. This is all garbage. I don't know how a mushroom was growing in the van. It's the original mat. You can see that the shifter ball came right out. There's our problem. So that goes into the frame. I'd have to weld a patch in here. Just in here. Get that in there. Let's just see the starter's working. Oh, okay. Let's just check it. Stand back just in case it's in gear. Run over your foot. We're getting some fuel. Here, the float bowl. Sometimes you have to tap the float bowl. We're primed up. Just in case. We're in neutral. What happens? Yeah, I never gave it any. I never gave it a pump. Let's give it a couple pumps here. Don't know if the accelerator pump's working or not. Make sure all our ignition and everything is plugged in. All our wires are plugged in and everything. Here, oh, got a problem here. If this isn't plugged in or on, then it's not going to work. Yeah. Hasn't been running in 10 years. I'm actually driving it too. Nice to get it out of this trail here. It's obviously no brakes. Spot. I've taken out the seats, carpet, mat, the heating ducts, and I vacuumed it all, washed it down a little bit. It was pretty bad. Fortunately, there was some rodent carcasses and other fun stuff in here. And I've exposed all the rusted out holes in the floor, so it could be worse. We've got a lot of problems. We've got holes everywhere. Man, this is gonna need a lot of work. Floor's actually dropped here. Let me needs to come up a bit. When you go to close the door just falls down. The floor in the front is all holes. These little patches or whatever these are, they're no good. They're going to have to come out. So I'm not doing a restoration on this because it's just so much work and money to restore this. I think I'm going to do a quick patch up. So I'm going to put some sheet metal down and cover all this up and tack it in, but I'm not doing a full cutout and replacing panels. I'm just going to fix it up the best I can. I pulled the cardboard that was down here. It was all moldy, so that's gone, and I took the carpet out. So I think this is the perfect spot for the off-grid camping site. If I can get the van in here, that would be awesome. This is a really nice spot.